Welcome to Madeira, a lush Portuguese island in the Atlantic Ocean, known for its dramatic cliffs, volcanic mountains, and year-round spring-like climate. It blends stunning natural beauty with rich cultural traditions, wine production, and charming coastal towns. Madeira is located in the North Atlantic Ocean, about 1,000 kilometers southwest of mainland Portugal and 700 kilometers west of Morocco. Our journey begins at Pico do Arieiro, the third highest peak in Madeira, standing at 1,818 meters above sea level. It is one of the island's most popular attractions, offering breathtaking panoramic views of rugged mountains, valleys, and clouds drifting below the summit. The peak is easily accessible by road, making it a favorite starting point for hikers exploring the famous trail to Pico Ruivo, Madeira's highest mountain. Madeira's contrasting climates between the south and the north are shaped by its central mountains. These peaks act as a natural barrier, protecting the south from Atlantic winds and clouds, which results in a warmer, sunnier, and drier environment. In the north, however, the mountains force moist trade winds to rise, leading to heavier rainfall, cooler temperatures, and a landscape that is noticeably greener and more rugged. Located in the north of the island lies Seixal, a small village on Madeira's coast, famous for its rare natural black sand beach framed by dramatic cliffs. It offers a peaceful atmosphere with stunning ocean views, natural swimming pools, and lush green surroundings. The village is a hidden gem where visitors can enjoy authentic Madeiran charm away from the crowds. Miradouro de Ribeira de Janela is a scenic viewpoint on Madeira's north coast, overlooking dramatic rock formations rising from the Atlantic Ocean. It offers breathtaking views of the rugged shoreline, steep cliffs, and the endless horizon, making it a favorite stop for photographers and travelers. Piscinas Naturais Velhas in Porto Moniz are volcanic natural swimming pools, formed by lava rocks and filled with crystal-clear seawater. They offer a safe and unique place to swim while being surrounded by the dramatic beauty of the Atlantic Ocean. Posto Florestal Fanal is a mystical forest in northwest Madeira, part of the UNESCO World Heritage Laurisilva forest. It is renowned for its ancient laurel trees, some over 500 years old, often covered in mist that creates an enchanting, fairy tale-like atmosphere. Visitors can hike through scenic trails, enjoy peaceful picnics, and experience one of the island's most magical natural settings. Located in the south of the island is Ponta de Sol, the sunniest spot on Madeira. It's a favorite for visitors looking for warm, bright days, with a picturesque seafront, a charming historic center, and colorful houses tucked between the cliffs and the ocean. Surrounded by banana plantations and terraced hillsides, it offers the perfect mix of relaxation, culture, and natural beauty. Funchal, located in the south of the island, is the capital of Madeira and a vibrant city known for its beautiful bay, historic architecture, and lively markets. It blends tradition and modernity, with cobbled streets, botanical gardens, and a bustling marina lined with cafes and restaurants. Famous for its wine, festivals, and cable car rides to the hillside district of Monte, Funchal is the cultural heart of the island. Ponta de São Lourenço is the easternmost point of Madeira, known for its dramatic volcanic cliffs and rugged, windswept landscapes. Unlike the lush greenery in other parts of the island, this peninsula is characterized by striking rock formations, dry vegetation, and panoramic ocean views. It is a popular hiking destination, offering one of the most unique and breathtaking experiences on Madeira. Thank you for watching.